Hi guys, today I would like to share with you guys the easiest way on how to make your YouTube subscription private. Before I start this, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to it. First, you need to go to your profile image, click here. Then, you click your channel. After that, click this channel setting. Okay, from here on, you can make your subscription private. Just click this on. And also you can make your playlist private. That's it. I hope this can solve your problem. If you have any question, just ask me down below and I see you guys next video.